Assalamu alaikum students. Again I'm Mansur Ali, lecturer of mathematics, Army Public Degree College, Malik Kent. Okay students, uh, matrices and determinant, that is the chapter number name, and exercise 3.2, and this lecture is continuation from the previous lecture. Okay, so question number 6, this is the general case. If A and B are square matrices of the same order, then explain why in general. It is a general case. Okay, so first part is a plus b whole square, that is not equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is not equal. Why? Because like this, a plus b whole square means a plus b can I write like this? Okay, now a multiply by a multiply by b multiply by b multiply by b. Okay, now a multiply by a square, a multiply by b b multiplied by ba plus b square, and ab is not equal to ba in general, because commutative law with respect to multiplication does not hold, so that's why it is not equal. And same as part 2. Okay, and same as part 3. In all parts there is only one thing, that commutative law with respect to multiplication does not hold. Okay, now new question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, if matrices is this, means 3 by 4 matrix, 1 2 3 3 rows, 1 2 3 4 4 columns, then find a transpose and a transpose of a. Okay, so first of all you can take the a transpose of this, means rows को column में change करना है. ठीक है, so 2 1 minus 3 minus 1 0 5 3 4 2 0 minus 2 minus 1, this is a transpose, and then multiply a with a transpose for this, a with a transpose. Okay, first row first column, first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. This is the whole story. And after simplification you have this matrix. Then for this purpose, first you take a transpose, this is the thing, a transpose, and then you multiply a with a. Okay, so you can see that this is not equal. Okay, so अगर क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि a transpose is not equal to a transpose of a, prove that, so you can prove it by yourself as well. Okay, and for the conformability of multiplication, that it is conformable or not, how many columns are there? There are 4 columns. How many rows are there? There are 4 rows. तो क्लास में अगर सी आर मौजूद है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल है, अदरवाइज पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो जब ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल हो गया, इधर देख लो कितनी कॉलम्स है, 1 2 3, कितनी रोज है, 1 2 3, तो सी आर मौजूद है तो पॉसिबल है. नाउ सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन फॉर एक्स. सबसे पहले 3x minus 2 है, दिस इज पार्ट 1. इफ a is equal to this, b is equal to this. Okay, so 3x is equal to 2a plus b. I just shifting from here to there, so 2a plus b. 2, what is a matrix is this, plus b matrix is this. I'm multiplying 2 with this bracket, 2 with this matrix, so 4 6 minus 4 minus 2 2 10, and all the thing is same. Okay, now you can add these two matrices because order is same. What is the order of this matrix? 2 by 3 2 by 3 2 by 3, so you can add it. आपने ऐड कर दिया, 3x is equal to this, 3 is multiplying by here, so it should be divided by there, and 3 is divided by the whole members, whole elements, so 6 upon 3 2, 3 upon 3 1, and so on. This is the matrix x, that x matrix is 2 1 minus 1 1 2 3. And now question number 9, solve the matrix following For this matrix of A minus this is equal to this, first of all you have to add from there. So just add these two matrices so you can get this thing. Okay, now this is A. So right now you don't know the matrix of A. So let's suppose matrix A is equal to A B C D. So it will become 4 3 2 2 A B C D 1 minus 1 2 4. Okay. Now first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. Okay. Now two matrices are equal. Why? Because 2 by 2 2 by 2 orders are same, बीच में is equal to sign, so two matrices are equal, so it means that we can make four equations. 4a plus 3c is equal to 1, 4b plus 3d is equal to minus 1, 2a plus 2c is equal to 2, 2b plus 2d is equal to 4, like this. And one solving by 1 and 3 you can get a and c, and solving by 1 2 and 4 you can get b and d, like this. This is simultaneously solved, and I have make you understand in previous lecture that how you can solve it. By the substitution method you can solve, or you can do by the elimination method as well. It is in the metric as well. Okay, so what is the answer? A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to minus 7, C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 9. This is the answer of matrix A. The whole story of 3.2 has sum up, and the assignment of chapter number 3, third assignment, question number 8 part 2, question number 9 part 2. I'm live through WhatsApp group, so you can ask any question in your maths period regarding this presentation. And thank you for attention. Allah Hafiz.